We're playing the finals because, as you know, I am the best FPS player in the world. And if you don't believe me, I will prove it to you in this video right now. And if you don't know what this game is, I am considering if I should recommend or not. It's a good game. What am I hearing? Am I losing my mind? It's gonna be super easy. Both of my teammates are dead, but don't even worry about it, because I'm gonna revive them. At least one of them. Come back to me. We go this way, we go here, we grab this, we run away. It's just that easy. Oh. Oh. They're just there chilling. Ow, 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 please, please don't. And I died instantly. Was it my fault? 100%. As you know, because I'm the best FPS player in the world, this should be quite easy. As you can see, I'm just killing all of them right now. Okay, okay. Did we kill them all? I feel like... oh. Come on, how did I die? What the hell is that? Well, I died instantly. Oh, I killed someone. I stole a kill. Finally. You know, it's really tough. Anyone who's watching me should feel sorry for me, because making gaming videos when you suck at playing games is really tough, and you should, I don't know, give me some credit for that. And I'm dying. I am dead. I missed every one of my shots. I missed all of them. And I died again. Without even shooting anyone. I mean, I shot, but all of my bullets missed. But this time though, this time I got it actually. Watch this. I flashed them all. I flashed them. I'm still missing every shot. Dude, they're all healing each other. What is that? You are not allowed to do that. No way they can steal it, right? Yay, we got it. 2 kills. I'm carrying this team. Okay, watch this move out. I missed. Come on, man. I only have 6 bullets on this thing. What? But he kills me with the same gun. You know, if I knew how to aim, maybe this game would be fun. Okay, you did not see that. None of you saw that. I missed every shot. I feel like most of my time in this game is spent on the respawn screen. I don't know. I don't know how to have fun in this game. I guess you have to be a certain skill level, or it's just shit, or the whole game is just garbage. Because I can't do anything. What am I supposed to do? Get better, but how? I have hundreds of hours in this game. Yeah, that's the video, I guess. I'm showing off how bad I am at finals. See you in the next one. Stay tuned to see what game I suck more.